Taanit Gimel. Mishnah Gimel. What about, especially over here, you can see it in Arizona, in Eretz Israel not so much, but I think also in Eretz Israel. וכן עיר שלא ירדו עליה גשמים, and also a city that did not get rain. For example, over here it happens all the time. The foothills can get rain every day, and over here we don't get rain ever. So it's like very close, and still one is very rainy. Now, so in other words,
there doesn't rain, and here it's raining.
Or the same thing. Yeah, exactly. It's very good. So what do we do now? As a country, do we all fast? Do Vail fast? Do we fast? How does it work? You know? וכן עיר שלא ירדו עליה גשמים. So a city that there's no rain in it. ובסביבותיה ירדו גשמים. But all the cities around it, they do have rain. מה שמוכיח שדבר זה בא בגזירתו של הקדוש ברוך הוא. And this proves that this is come because of a decree of God. There's no reason for them to get and us not to get. ולא במנהגו של עולם. In other words, there's a reason for it. ככתוב, where does it says? There's a verse that says, והמטרתי על עיר אחת. It says, I'm going to give rain to one city. ועל עיר אחת לא אמטיר. In another city, I will not give rain. חלקה אחת תמטר. And even within the same city, one person is going to get, his property is going to get rain, and another property is not going to get rain. וחלקה שלא תמטיר אלא תיבש. So one who is going to grow nicely, and the other guy is not going to grow nicely. So what do we do? אותה העיר מתענה ומטרת. So the entire country we're going to see, maybe don't have to fast. But first of all, that city have to fast, have to go through the whole system that we discussed before. בשופרות מיד, immediately. They have to go through this according to the system. וכל סביבותיה. And you would think the other cities are happy. Why? It's not their problem. He says no. וכל סביבתו מתענות. And all the cities around it have to share in the fasting. כדי להשתתף בצרת העיר השכנה. In order to share with the trouble of the neighboring city. ויש מפרשים. So it says, that's the first explanation. First explanation, you're not going to be affected. So why are you fasting? I want to share in their pain. Some say, no, יש מפרשים, מפני שאותה עיר תלך לקנות תבואה בערים הסמוכות. It is going to affect you. How is it going to affect you? Because the prices now are going to rise. They're going to come, and they're going to come into your market, that city, and all the prices will rise, yours also. So it does affect you. ויהיה רעב על ידי כך, and there's going to be a famine because of the high prices through it. So in other words, don't think it doesn't affect you, it is going to affect you. But, לא מטריות, you don't blow the shofars in the adjoining cities. אבל אינם תוקעות בשופרות, but they don't blow the shofars. רבי עקיבא אומר the opposite. מטריות, they blow the shofar, מתפללות ותוקעות בשופרות כדי לעורר רחמי השם, but לא מתענות, but they don't fast. זה כאילו opposite. כמו שנוהגים בראש השנה שתוקעים בשופר ואינם מתענים. Just like the custom in Rosh Hashanah that we blow the shofar but we don't fast.
Rabbi Akiva said the opposite.
Rabbi Akiva says the opposite, yeah. Exactly.